lovely day in Flint, you know? I don't know what everybody's been bitching about. Freaking nice people, the water tastes great. All right, guys, so we're here in, where are we, Saginaw, Michigan? Saginaw, Michigan, yeah. Just woke up. Kind of jet lagged a little bit, but I don't know, Rick and the guys are like, hey, we got your car outside, it's running, it's ready to go, it's your rental car for the week. So you need to go outside and check it out. I was like, okay, let's go get the car. Go find out what it is. I think it's just this. He said it's running. Maybe today, maybe the whole joke is they're moving out of their shop and we're just gonna be moving them all week. That would actually be pretty funny. Hey, we need the extra hands. Thanks for coming out. Well.
Is there anything else running in the parking lot? Could this just be somebody's?
That'd be pretty funny though. Just steal somebody's rental truck. There is that Bud Light truck. Is that it, Rick? Is it the Bud Light truck? Because I hate Bud Light. You know what? You thought I drove bad in normal cars, like when I'm doing other things. I was quite the ambulance driver. We're gonna have a pretty good time with this one. Oh. Check out what's in back.
Oh, okay.
Hey! They rented us this so we can drive it home. You ready for a road trip? At the end of the week?
No.
We didn't have shit to do. Dude, so that's plan B.
What do you think?
You guys are so funny. They're like, hey, you driving this? You guys are taking this with you, right? And then now you're forcing me?
Someone's got to take it, dude.
This is gonna be great to just drive around all week. This is great. Maybe you brought me here to help you move. I thought that's what the joke was, but yeah.
That's breaking news.
Yeah, I know.
You want to break the news for us on our channel?
I am breaking it right now. Yeah, no.
Maybe Rick can break it.
The news?
The news.
Like why this is...
Needed to get out of the shop.
Yeah, we're getting booted, boys. We're too rogue.
Too crazy?
No. We need a new shop. We got to clear out our existing one. This thing had to go.
More on that later. Anyway, you like your razor?
I love it. I have to, we need to pull it out and check it out. I mean, the red and the baby blue is looking good so far.
Just get up in there, dude. Sucker's strapped in. We can't pull it out.
Woo, boy. Let's go. Let's party. Let's run this thing. I think the theme of the week, well, we're going to drive it for a couple days now, right?
Yeah.
Drive it like you stole it? Drive it like you stole it.
It was already driven like it was stolen. It didn't really work out.
It's really cute. You gave me ramps.
Oh, boy.
We'll get you some wooden replacements. We actually need those for our trailer.
You're taking them back? Well, I don't need ramps to get out of this.
No,
thing.
you can just punch it out. No
Oh, easy. Let's rock and roll. We ready to go?
Sure.
Yeah? Let's go to the shop. Let's party.
Can't party at the shop. Can't actually do anything at the shop anymore.
Can't do Brodies around the shop. Can't
even
throw mud.
Can't even look at the shop.
All right, so we are in the rental rig that got us. Right now we're heading over to the shop and then we're gonna go out for a ride. I don't know exactly what we're doing. But I wonder, is this like traction? Let's see. What if I could do a burnout in this thing? Did you hear the cargo moving around back there? Hold on. We'll try that again when there's not someone sitting right behind us.
Wet the tires up.
Yeah, we gotta get a little moisture, on the tires. You want to put a little heat in the motor, a little moist in the tires. I feel like we should just do a tour. Just a little bit down here, you know what I mean? Just see what's going on. Nice. Yeah, I can see why they don't belong. There's like professional things happening in here. It's just not tomfoolery anymore.
2 seconds later.
Hey, I was looking for your landlord. I wanted to put in a good word for you.
Yeah, okay, yeah, he's not here.
I looked for him.
Hey, Nick Seuss, should he jump this off?
Yeah. It's not that big. Yeah, just stay on the throttle, man.
There's some concerning. There's some points.
There is no clearance.
Actually, no.
Like, how did you not hit on the way in?
I forgot about that.
I mean, I think it's gonna work.
Glad I went to the chiropractor before this. All right, you guys ready? Is that good?
Nailed it. Look at those.
That's a trailer right there, brother. Worst case scenario would have been he smashed the top, but other than that, that was clean.
Good way to wake up. You don't need no coffee. Just shoot out the back. Freaking. All right, let's go. What do I think of it out here? It's pretty nice out here, I'll tell you what. It's like
Don't you know?
getting out in the woods and with my friends and stuff. It's really nice.
You want to start a fire?
Fire?
Yeah, we could do that.
We
This
could
is
do
actually
that.
where
Yeah.
we're camping tonight.
Silver Lake, good luck.
You guys got me good again.
That's Silver Lake right over there, buddy.
Glad I'm dry. This is freaking awesome out here. I don't know how to drive through the water very well.
I mean, you did the best you could with what you got.
Yeah, you guys kind of left me, and then I was just, should I go? And then I think I did the worst thing, which was enter fast, then slow down,
Oh, that's what gets you.
enter the wave face
Yeah.
with no roof. Thanks for not putting a roof on there.
Hey, no problem.
And then exit through the water. I know Cody thoroughly enjoyed that.
It's fun.
So how do you guys like your rigs out here?
Love it.
Love it.
Love it.
Yeah, they're a little wide.
Yeah. you
Mine was
just
a little
have
more
com-
nimble, a little bit better
Yeah.
than yours. Like it looks better.
That's what it.
Yeah.
What part?
Mainly the mismatched A-arms and whatnot looks
What
good.
mismatch? That's factory,
That's
baby.
a one-on-one, dude.
That is a 101. That's all I drive is 101s.
Imagine once you get those blue wheels.
Yeah, I don't have to like show off with like a yellow green thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
I'm just-
Leo. Toast
Penis, man.
Hey, I get stuff that's available. Do I want this?
Whatever it is,
No.
new.
I bought it.
It was on the rack for sale. End of the winter
This was
sale.
unfortunately not for sale. I paid.
Full boat?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
You
This
gotta
one
keep-
has.
You got to
On
keep the
sale.
industry alive, dude.
Okay, has this one? This one hasn't been wrecked.
Not yet.
No, she's a fresh unit.
Has the new Battlefield been wrecked?
No.
Okay.
No, that's clean.
I know Matt takes care of his. Matt, you never wrecked it.
He's wrecked it.
Oh, you wrecked it. Oh, okay.
Broke the frame.
I don't have to ask about Frank. That one's been
That's
trashed.
never been wrecked.
Never.
That's never been wrecked.
He's rolled it a couple times.
Roll. is-
That's what I'm saying. Rolled it. This one, wrecked.
Unwrecked.
Did I roll it? You haven't rolled this
Oh,
one.
you haven't
The
rolled or
old-
wrecked this one.
Yeah.
Ask him about his last two, though.
Both wrecked immediately.
Immediately. You ever wrecked with less than 100 miles, Rick? or rolled it with less than 100 miles on it?
I haven't personally.
You have.
Own equipment that
But
has?
yeah.
Driving has never done that.
I want people to know the tension is real between these two. If you guys saw that video,
We
it's
drove all
real.
the way back home from Florida together in that
Yeah,
Cummins
singing,
truck.
singing "Kumbaya," Cummings together.
Best friends. Almost drove
Two
off a
best
cliff a
friends.
couple times.
But I was smiling the whole time. Just a couple buffed right out. A couple
Use
scratches.
guys. Have you ever wrecked one?
Yeah.
Everyone's
That-
owned it.
everyone I've owned, yes, that is actually true. Well, even the new one I didn't really wreck. I just hit that hole at like 60.
I've been going to the
In my
dunes
neck.
since 72. I ain't never rolled out here. 25 minutes later, motors exploded upside down, just in the middle of a windstorm.
That is true. That is true. That is true. Wait, guys, don't leave me. The whole rod throws out the bottom.
You had Savage with you though. I mean, you
Yeah.
Oh, that was,
Yeah.
that was,
Yeah.
okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. Actually, that trip, we almost rolled with JH forward at speed. I've never done that. Yeah, I've never done that one before.
That's terrifying.
Yeah, ass over tea kettle going like 60, 70.
Bad deal, brother.
Yeah, not fun. You just slap it, a little slapper.
Front
But
flip.
yeah, that was,
360.
I haven't seen that one except coming down hills. But out here, man, it's freaking amazing. I love it out here. You guys have this all the time.
All the time.
All right, well, what are we gonna do right now? We're gonna go
Back.
We're gonna head back.
to the trailer.
back to the trailer, but then we're gonna go to a hotel
Yeah.
with a Applebee's.
Right next door.
Oh,
You
brother.
know who's not going? Applebee's the biggest.
Oh, you gotta go out to
I
Cali.
started this
Big-
freaking tradition, dude.
big
and
Cali
I can't
boy.
even go to the beans, dude. Makes me want to break a tree.
You already did. Look at that sucker. That's the one he hit right there.
and no casino tonight.
Yeah, no, cause we got you got
You know,
bamboozled on this trip. We tried to bring you out here, have a nice
Tomorrow
time,
night,
turns
maybe I
out-
can figure that out
Tomorrow,
without
I mean,
you.
You could go.
I'll
yeah.
FaceTime you
Tomorrow.
Dude, tomorrow, dude.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Casino tomorrow.
That sounds the great.
When you hit so big, dude, they're gonna be like, call the ambulance.
All right, well, let's head out. Just getting a little. What time is it here?
Well, look at
6
the sun,
o'clock?
dude.
57.
Oh, we got like 4 more hours of riding. That is another fantastic day with these guys out in wherever the hell we are, Michigan.
St. Helen, Michigan, America.
Taint smelling.
Taint smelling, taint smelling Michigan. But tomorrow we're gonna go to the dunes. We're gonna tear it up for what? It's about a square mile of sand.
Not even close.
350 acres.
There's that, that pond out there.
You're gonna skim the pond.
Yeah.
It's called Lake Michigan.
Yeah, we're gonna skim Lake Michigan
Go
tomorrow.
right to Wisconsin. Get some
Yeah,
cheese.
we'll see you guys tomorrow. Why are you calling Rick? He's my friend.
Because I want to talk to Rick. I knew Rick before you knew Rick.
No, I knew Rick way before you.
Just because you spent more money with Rick doesn't mean you knew him before.
Hey, there's a video of James Diesel saying he doesn't like me, so I haven't seen any of those from Cheyenne.
Hey, I didn't like Rick at first. He was kind of a dick.
Hey, I didn't like you at first either. You still are a dick, so.
He's still a dick.
Yeah, I mean, we both are still dicks, but now I like you. So.
Alright, I respect that. Alright, we gotta go. We're gonna do some shoplifting.
We gotta steal some shit.
Hey,
Alright.
you should get Seuss's number. I'll prank call him. Out of the shop.
I'll let you guys out here. I'll drive around.
All right, guys, so we're up here in Saginaw, Michigan. My boy Nick Seuss owns this liquor store right here. And I told him that I could shoplift anything. And he's like, no, you can't, I'll catch you. So I'm trying to go in and shoplift something and try not to get killed. Too easy. Let's take this.
What the fuck? I told you. How did
I got shit. I already got shit.
You guys, dude. Like, who is this guy in my face? Give me this.
Easy. I don't know what this is, but I'm stealing it.
CBD for frogs.
Woo!
You guys are...
I told you. What are you doing? Napping on the job?
No, I don't have anyone in here, dude.
Well,
I don't have employees.
now the whole world's
You know how you make money, dude? You don't hire employees.
You have no employees. You have no just a light bill. All right, so he had a nice single barrel of one of my favorite bourbons out there, and now you can jack off in a time machine.
It's like masturbating in a time machine.
2018, a rewrap special with 6 DVDs. They might, I'm gonna guess they're DVDs. They might be CD-ROMs.
Maybe it's just audio.
Or there's just audio. It's just audio. It's just pictures, maybe. I don't know. They're from 2015, so we might have to download some new software to play them. And to go with those, I actually stole a few things. A couple Rhino boner pills. This is 90K, and then this one says 200,000. I don't know what that means.
That's the horsepower.
Yeah, the horsepower. And then it says 1 capsule, 7 days. Expires in 2025, so I got some time. You know what I mean? Oh, and got my basic shot of whale jizz. I don't know what this is. This is just on the counter. I just had to steal it just to prove to him that I can steal stuff. Thanks, Seuss. You're the best.
Check it,